Skip, welcome back YouTube. It's your boy, the Posh Boss. In case you're new here, I'm a Poshmark reseller, and I'm here to help you run a successful Poshmark closet. In this video, we're gonna go over our method number 2 of our 5-part series on how to help you get more followers, get more shares, get more likes, and most importantly, get more sales. So we're gonna use this method number 2 to posh like a boss and get that cash rolling in. Alrighty, everybody, if you missed that method number 1, you're going to definitely want to check it out because we're going to use all of these 5 methods hand in hand to get the most out of Poshmark. So I'll definitely leave that link down below for you guys to check it out. This method, I want to hold everybody accountable to down there in the comments. If you guys want to join in, we're going to go on a challenge of 30 days straight of posting at least 3 items every single day to your Poshmark closet. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you move up in the rankings. Poshmark is going to recognize your closet as a closet that is frequently posting fresh items, and it's going to reward you for that. It's going to put you higher in the search engine so that way people can find your items easier. The more people that find your items and find your closet, the more sales you're going to get. So if you guys want, we can definitely join in together as a community. Leave comments down below kind of encouraging each other and holding each other accountable to these 3 items being posted every single day for 30 days. I've been doing it for about 4 months now. I've definitely seen some rewards from it. So I want to spread the love, kind of get in together with you guys and encourage each other. So let's go ahead and get that going down below in the comments. Let's start this community growing. Alrighty, you guys, make sure you stay tuned till the end because I'm going to give you my biggest tip on how to get the most out of those 3 listings that you guys are going to do each day. Let's get into this step-by-step guide on how to list those 3 items. Alrighty, you guys, so Poshmark has made it super easy for you to list an item. You just go ahead and open up the app, scroll down to the bottom where it says sell, right underneath the camera icon. Click on that and it'll take you to a screen where you're able to take photos of the items you're looking to list, or you can click on the bottom left-hand corner on the icon that takes you directly into your photo album where you can pre-select photos that you've already taken of the item of the listing you're looking to do today. So you click on those. Today we're doing a Terrell Owens San Francisco 49ers throwback vintage Reebok jersey in a size extra large. So you go ahead and click all those items. I usually keep all my photos in a 1x1 so I don't have to deal with the editing or cropping or any of that stuff. Go ahead and add that title with as many descriptive words, keywords that are going to definitely help you get those hits on this item. So I have the sizing, the brand, the player, the number, different things that might bring up this item if someone were to do a search for it. So that'll go ahead and help that. You do the same thing for the description, and then we're going to select the type of item. So you go into men's, click tops, click jersey. You're going to select the size. You're going to go ahead and select the brand, and then we're going to go ahead and put in there the price that you're looking to get for this item. So I was thinking, about 30 bucks, $35. Someone would probably give me for this San Francisco 49ers TO jersey. He was a popular player. So we'll go ahead and list that on there. Once you hit that list button, it'll be available for people to purchase. Alrighty, you guys, so there we have method number 2 of our 5-part series on how to get more followers, get more shares, get more likes, and most importantly, get more sales. I hope this helped out. If it did at all, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this. I look forward to seeing those comments below when we get this challenge going. 3 items for 30 days straight. Let me know if you're in. Go ahead and comment down below with a thumbs up or whatever fire emoji you guys want to put on there. I look forward to seeing you guys grow, and I hope to see you guys get that cash rolling in. Take care. Posh Boss out.